Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, you have all been hearing about the Fulanization agenda since Malam Buhari was parachuted into the Nigerian space via the Wayo election, the rigging, whatever it is that happened in 2015. So you've been hearing about that agenda pretty much from the moment that this guy seized control of the Nigerian space. So now it is not really a story about if the Fulanization agenda exists. We all know that it is in place and the people behind it have never denied it. So we all know that the Fulanization agenda is a thing. So that is not really where the story is going. The story is really going into how this Fulanization agenda is being manifested. So with that guys, I bring you this. Awolowo's grandson, Ajimobi's daughter, amongst Oshibanjo's 35 aides, allegedly sacked by Buhari. So that's the headline. That's where we're going. Awolowo's grandson, Ajimobi's daughter, amongst Oshibanjo's 35 aides, allegedly sacked by Buhari. So now let's see what now this ethnic cleansing that is going on in Aso Rock portends. The names of Vice President Yemi Oshibanjo's aides whose sack were reportedly approved by President Buhari on Tuesday, November the 5th, have been released. Babajide, grandson of late elder statesman and grandfather of Oshibanjo's wife, Obafemi Awolowo, and Jibola Ajayi, daughter of former governor of Oyo State, Abiola Ajimobi, were amongst the 35 sacked aides of the vice president. So now below now is a list of the names of the people that were sacked. I will read you through as many of them as I can, but what I will tell you though is that a good 99%, if not 100% of them, are entirely Southerners and especially Yorubas. There's a name that might well be a northern name, but it's a Muslim sounding name, so it could well be a Yoruba man of that religion. But almost in its entirety, the 35 people that were sacked by the Fulani cabal are almost entirely Southerners and almost entirely Yoruba. So let's just go through some of the names. Jibola Ajayi, Special Advisor Legal, and that of course is the daughter of the former governor of Oyo State. Lanre Oshibona, Senior Special Assistant ICT. So Lanre Oshibona. So of course Lanre is a Yoruba name. Ome Okon, Senior Special Assistant Infrastructure. That name sounds either Igbo or South. Jide Awolowo. So this is really the name that we're going to. Jide Awolowo, and of course, I don't even need to introduce the name Awolowo to any Nigerian. So Jide Awolowo, the grandson of a leading name, a gold standard name, a marquee name, a gold plated name within the Nigerian political space, and Awolowo name, of course, I don't even need to introduce that name to anybody within the Nigerian space. If you're a Nigerian and the name Awolowo does not resonate with you, please go to your nearest embassy and hand over your passport and go seek another nationality. So Jide Awolowo, Special Advisor Oil and Gas. So this is now one of the people that's been sacked by the Fulanis and Awolowo, and that is really the name that we wanted to capture in this video. And then it goes on. Lillian Edeage, Special Advisor, Research, Legal and Compliance. So that name sounds Edo-ish. So, and it goes on and on. It's just really a retinue of Yoruba names. Dolapo Bright, a name Dolapo, of course, is a Yoruba name. Senior Special Assistant, Agro Allied Value Chain, and it goes on and on. BC Ogungbemi, Special Advisor, Political Matters, and just really, I'm not going to take you through the whole 35 names, but suffice to say that a good 99% of them, if not 100% of them, are Southern names and especially Yoruba names. So ethnic cleansing now is now what we're now seeing as the next stage now of this Fulanization agenda of the Malam Buhari regime and his cabal. So now the writing is now on the wall now for this Oshibanjo character. To be forewarned is to be forearmed, and this guy has been forewarned. Conversations in the comment section, the forewarning of Yemi Oshibanjo, the Bobrisky of the Nigerian political space. Come tell me what you're making of this going on, the palace intrigues and the interplays and the chess plays between the Fulanis and the rest of the southern regions, the Yorubas, the Igbos, the South, etc. What do you recognize as the state of play? But before you come have this conversation, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me how Yemi Oshibanjo is being treated in Aso Rock in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join in the comment section. But here I say peace.